I should have plus past participle is used to talk about the things we regret to do. Examples: I should have told you sooner. I should have gone to the party. I should have asked permission from my mom about this. I should have thought about my decision 1,000 times. I should have studied very hard for the exam. I should have ignored all the distractions during the exam period. I should have cared for him more. I should have been more careful with my finances. I should have finished my schooling early. I should have looked for a better job.